Time to roll out, boys.
What kind of hairless kitten is that? You've heard of skinny dipping. Introducing guinea slipping. Hey, Evan, what are you doing in here? Oh, you taking a nap? Okay. It's called incubation, Daniel. Can you believe Leslie had another baby?
Keep it down, Frank.
Leslie popped out another kid?
We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all dogs are created equal, that they are endowed by their master with certain unalienable rights, that among these are treats, chew toys, and the pursuit of belly rubs.
I'm sick of being stepped on, and I'm tired of being called a wiener. Between life and death, I choose the latter. Step back, I'll do it. See you later, cold world. Ah! I've got to jump from higher up. Got milk? You need to talk to Gary. He called you Siamese. How could you?
I'm not bathing enough. I am not bathing enough.
Daryl has a sneeze lisp. I am the pirate Redbeard, and I caution any scallywag to cross me lest they be maimed by me wooden leg. Oh, I'm so sorry. I had fish sticks for lunch. Is the pressure okay? No refunds. Lift on 3. Oh, okay. Just let me get a grip on it. Pivot! Pivot! There should be more under that sink next to you, but here you go. So if the kitchen loses cabin pressure, does this here fall out of the ceiling? He gets all the warm milk he can drink while I make a measly $7 an hour. I might have obsessive cat-pulsive disorder. My kitten support payment is for a litter of 6.
Every time you lick it. Oh, Harper, that looks good.
Woof! 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 Woof!
Okay.
What? NANI?
Nah, kid, let me show you how to do it. I was a cat burglar for years. Let go of me, you peckerhead! Pixar presents Finding Threemo. 10,000 people at the parade, and not a single Hello Kitty.
I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
I said bone, not Drone? Oh, God bless you. I lost my seeing eye human. Yeah, and I caught a big fish on the lake, Frank.
Well, my fish was this big.
Liar!
Can we please have a serious conversation? Quit laughing. Can we have a serious conversation?
You really screwed the pooch on these reports, Dale.
Ironically, he slipped out with just a slipper.
Yeah, you stepped on a Sour Patch Pup.
I'm not a boxer. I'm a kickboxer.
Okay, Glenn. Yeah, you better keep walking. Oh, if this fence wasn't here, I would turn you into mincemeat. Gary, come on, man.
Bench inspection. Not level. Let's try the doggone table itself. Not level.
Daryl, I don't care if you thought you saw an orca. I have to pee. No, kid. No! I did see an orca. Oh, my poor little penguin pal. What's black and white and red all over? It's you, Kenneth. Yeah, there's an orca. And turns out I had to shit, too. Well, Harry, I'm really sorry, man, but we've combed Penguin Island for a good 6 hours, and there is just no sign of your identical twin. I mean, we looked west out there for a good 2 hours. We looked straight ahead. I mean, I guess we could try due east, but maybe he hopped on that cruise ship back there and, well, just didn't want a wingman.
I must ask you not to stare.
That's a genuine Persian rug right there. Matthew, do the coupon dispenser.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Well, I don't consent. In this video, can you find a cat, a dog, and a mouse? I bet you found the dog easy enough. And yeah, probably the mouse too. But I bet you didn't guess that the cat was the one narrating, did you, Mother Fluffer? Would you be a dear and do my laundry? When you use the last of the toilet roll, refill it!
I'm tripping, man. I've been up 72 hours.
Barmaid, put that whiskey sours right here, right here. Billy, run like a cartoon character. For fluff's sake, guys, some of us work the night shift. So is this the coin dispenser? I'm not a piggy bank, Kenneth. That's just a pattern on my back. Now, no peeking, Frank.
But your booty's kind of ripe.
It's not your shetty, Frank. It's my shetty. My shetty! Yeah, this flood was a cock-a-doodle doozy. And the blue house there is the childhood home of Edgar Allan Poe. Wow. Okay, now if you'll follow me, the tour continues this way.
Do ba 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 do do ba do boo do a boo ba do boo ba do a do ba do ba do a do ba do ba do do.
He's chilling. Ah, look. 早上好，中国！现在我要冰淇淋，我喜欢冰淇淋。
And boop. Bro, can you get your tail out of my bath? Thank you.
Meow. Meow.